This is the work and energy calculator, which calculates work done, power, and effective force based on force and distance inputs. Let's look at the input fields. First, enter your force in newtons, or pounds force. Next, input your distance in meters or feet. The angle field is where you specify the angle in degrees between the force direction and movement direction, with 0 degrees for horizontal force. Finally, there's an optional time field in seconds for power calculation. For our example, I'm entering a force of 10 newtons, a distance of 10 meters, an angle of 10 degrees, and a time of 10 seconds. After clicking Calculate Work and Power, here are our results. The work done is 98.48 joules, which represents the energy transferred by applying our 10 Newton force over 10 meters at a 10-degree angle. The power output is 9.848 watts, calculated by dividing the work done by our 10-second time period. The effective force horizontal component is 9.85 newtons, showing how much of our applied force actually contributes to horizontal movement after accounting for the angle. This calculator streamlines work and energy calculations for any engineering application. Find the link in the description below.